Okay, guys, today we're going to learn about chapter 6.4, which is the application of linear programming. No, linear equation. There you go. In a real world context, I will share the screen so you can see everything here. And I will provide this video in YouTube so you can watch this in order to prepare for your exam next week for chapter 4, 5, and 6. Okay, application. So what is application of linear graph in the real world context? So this is actually is useful in your daily life. For example, if you buy something, you have to pay, right? If you buy more, you have to pay more. And if you do something, you have to do somewhat the real context on the linear graph. Okay, you can open your book on what page? I don't know what is it. Can someone mention the page? 6.4. Please, someone. What is the page of that? 159. Okay, thank you, Brandon. So today we're gonna discuss about that. You can read on your book as well. Let's start. 6.5. Okay. So we deal with the real world problem. Let's say we do the work example. Let's see work example here on the bottom. But again, don't look at the answer. The solution is actually here, but I don't think we need to do that. We try to focus on the expenditure itself, the question itself. Okay, please don't look at the solution yet. I will try to explain the work solution with my version. Okay, if I use my version, it might be another version. You might found that the other version is more easily for you to understand, but in my opinion, what I teach is the easiest or the shortest solution that you can use. Okay, let's see. I will put this a bit on the bottom so you can see this and we can have the space for formula and writings. Okay, guys, let's see for number 1. Nora's father gives her $100 as her monthly allowance. So what is monthly allowance? Uang jajan. Okay, monthly, each month. And if she spends an average of $3 each day, find the amount of money that she is left with after 2 days. So can you answer? 3 times 2, then $6, is it? No. 100 subtract the amount of money she spends each day. Get it? So you just put 100 subtract 2 days times $3 each day. Get it? So 100 subtract 6, which is $94. Why? Because the question is asking you for the amount of money that she is left with, not that she spent. Okay, if she spent 6 only, but the question is asking for that she is left with. What is the remaining money? Okay, how about 5 days? 100 subtract 5 days, and each day 3. So 100 subtract 15. What is the answer? Sorry? 85. That's it. Okay, I will zoom in a bit so you can see the number clearly. And then, how about 10 days? 100 minus 10 days times $3 each day, right? You can do directly 70. Any questions so far, guys? No? Is it easy? Yeah, she spends. Spends means she used the money. Okay, so the leftover money is 100 subtract something. Given that Y is represents the amount of money Nora has left after X days, copy and complete the table. So can you copy and complete the table? What is, if the X is 2, what is the Y? 94, right? You just copy paste this. And then if x equals 5 days, it is 85. Get the idea, guys? How do I write this number? And this is $70, right? So you just put the proper answer. Okay. Now on a sheet of a graph paper, look at question C. You can see it on your book as well if you cannot see this properly. Using a scale 2 cm represent 5 days, and one on horizontal axis, and 1 cm to represent $10 on the vertical axis. Plot the pairs of the values. So how do you plot the pairs of the value of the money? Okay, I will make this a bit zoomed out. I will make it a bit shrink, and I will put the millimeter block on the right side. Okay, where is it? Printing. Oh, that's good. Oh man, this is nice. Let's see. Copy. I want to add more paper here. Okay, so guys, look at this carefully. So what do I do? On a sheet of graph paper using a scale 2 cm represent 5 days. For example, this. So I put this as 0, 1 cm, 2 cm, how many days? 2 cm represent 5 days, so 2 cm represent 5 days, and another 2 cm represent 10 days, right? Another 2 cm represent 15 days, and so on. Okay, 20 and so on. But I think we don't have to use so much number here because we are limited with the x as 10. Okay, a moment, guys. I will copy the other page here because I don't think we have enough spaces. Put it a bit below. Make it neater. Right. Go. And then I put the number here. Going down because I'm afraid that I have not enough space on top. Okay. And 1 cm represent $10 on the vertical axis. So every 1 cm, how many dollars, guys? 10. So for another 1 cm, 20, 30, 40, 50, and go until, yeah, you can do 100, right? Because the initial amount of money of her father gave to Nora is $100. Right, so you can go to 100. If you want to go above also, again, a bit, no problem. But it's depend on whether the number is used or not used. Okay. Okay, now let's do here and do the straight line like that. And then you copy and complete the table. 2,94, right? So the point is 2,94, and then 5,85. So I just rewrite the number, and then 10,17. I already rewrite all the points that is needed or that is shown or that is asked on the question. 2,94. Where is 2, guys? Is 2 is located here? No, what is that? That's 2.5, right? So you have to go a bit to the left, right? This one, because this is 2.5. 2 is a bit to the left. Sorry? 7.5, right? So, and then 94, right? 94. So 94 is located here, right? Less than half. Because this is 95, you go down by 1 block. Okay. Okay, let's see, pull a straight line, another straight line. We get the meeting point here as 2,94 done. Okay, now 5,85. Very simple. 5,85 is quite simple. X is 5 here, right? We just go straight. And 85, you stop here. Understand, guys? Hello? Okay. So straight line. Sorry. Make a dot. And 0,70. That's 0, sorry. 10,70. 10 here. Wait, it's too thick. And right, this is 10. And 70 is located here. Okay. And then we get the points here. Any questions so far? No? Okay, let's start. So what is the line that is connecting between three dots? This straight line, right? But can you make it further? Can you extend the line? Sure. We have no problem on that. Just extend the line. Here. Okay. Now, this is the line of the money that Noras have left for every certain days. Can you guess how many days required to Nora in order to make her account $50? Yes. How many days that makes Nora finish his money until the leftover of the money is about $40? How long? Oh, 120. How come? 20 days. That's it. 20 days. Right? Get the idea? So the question is, how long does it take for Nora to make her money is $40 left? So $40 here, right? Y is the money and X is the days, right? So if it is 40, look at this straight line, and then you can see the logic. 20 days. Okay, if I have the question, but since there is no question such like that, just keep it. Okay, any questions so far? This is for the drawing only. So the purpose of the drawing is like this only. Okay. So you can see on your answer key, the answer key is also like that. Okay. Wait, I will merge the layer, copy and paste it in our book. This is the notes for whole thing, start from chapter 6. Okay, I hope every one of you keep the file. Okay, guys, if you don't keep the file from chapter 4 until chapter 6, you will find it very, very hard to solve the problem. Okay, to do your exams. Actually, you have the homework. Okay, you have the video. I already gave the video, so you don't have to think about too much. Okay. Next, guys. So look at the next page. There you go. Now the solution is given also. See, very simple, right? And you just pull a straight line like this. It's totally the same. Now let's do the practice now. It is totally same, guys. Totally same. But what is difference is only the word problems. Different word problems, different treatment as well. Okay. So let's see the question. I don't know. It is the flag down fare of taxi, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let's see. I will make it a bit lower. I will rearrange the position. So it will be quite comfortable to see the question. There you go. Okay, guys, let's see. Given, oh no, the flag down fare of a taxi is $3. Do you know what is flag down fare, guys? Hello? any idea about flag down fare? We learned it previously on somewhere around the chapter 4 or 5. You know what is flag down fare? No idea? Okay, read the question properly first. The flag down fare of a taxi is $3. Given that a passenger is charged 0.5 each kilometer of the taxi travels, find the amount of money that the passenger has to pay if the taxi covers a distance of 3 kilometers. So, first thing first, we have the flag down fare. So the flag down fare is like the order cost for you to order Gojek, right? For example, if you want to order food, you have to pay the transportation fee, regardless the kilometer, how long you go. Got it, guys? So this is the fixed amount. So for 3 kilometer, actually, you need to multiply 3 by each kilometer. But is this all? No. You have to add by the flag down fare that you need to put. Okay, the flag down fare is 3 and it is constant. Understand, guys? How about 6 kilometer? What is the formula? Kevin, write down the formula. You can say it out loud. Formula first. No need to count. If 6 kilometer, 6 0.5 also, right? And then plus by 3. Why 3? Because 3 is unchanged. How long you travel, the flag down fare stays the same. Sorry? Oh yeah, that's it. So the flag down fare is fixed, unchanged, right? What is changing is the direction. The longer you go, the further you go, the more price that you have to pay. Okay, 10, also 0.5, right? Each kilometer, they are fixed. They are the trees depend on the distance travel. Okay, the tree is unchanged. See, I use the other color so you can see it well. Okay, what is the answer? First answer. So you have calculator, right? So I have to count 4.5. That's right. 8. Okay, just copy, right? If 3 kilometer, $4.5 on the bottom. 6 also. So it's same, no problem. 10, 8. Okay, on a sheet of a graph paper, using a scale of 1 cm represent 1 kilometer, and on a x-axis horizontal, so 1 cm, so it is 0, right? Wait, this is 0. 1 cm represent 1 kilometer, guys. Let's see, 1 cm represent 1 kilometer. So I have 1 cm here, 1 kilometer, right? 6, 7, until 10. Why? Because the question is giving you 10. But if you want to increase, it is not a problem at all. Okay, and so on. Okay, and then how about this? Vertical axis, let's see the detail. Every 2 cm represent $1. Okay, every 2 cm represent $1. I don't know. Yeah, every 2 cm start from 0, right? $1, $2, right? Every 2 cm. Understand, guys? Until 8, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, not enough space, so it's a big deal. We have to make the number less. Okay, make the drawing smaller. Okay, wait, I'm doing something here so we can have the better perspective on the working, guys. Why? Because the drawing is not enough. I have to put the calculation again. Wait. Wait, guys. So this is quite challenging because we have to rearrange the position. Okay, not so good, but still okay in my opinion. There you go. And the scaling has to be also changed. 1 cm, 1 unit. How about this? Okay, better, guys. See? Oh, not really. Okay, got it. So I already increased the value. 6. Okay, increase again. I need to erase this because it's not so detailed. There you go. And I will redo 4, right? 5, 6, 7, each 2, 8. Understand, guys? Do you have any difficulties on understanding this drawing? No? Sure? Okay, let's see. So 3, 4.5, right? 3, 4.5. 3, 4.5. So this is the point. 3, 4.5. Write down one more time. 6, and 10,8. Okay. And the fact down fare is $3. So you have to put 3 here. 0. If you don't do the distance, you have to pay 3. And then 3, 4.5. Let's see. Guys, focus, yeah. 3, 4.5. This is 3. Where is 4.5? Right in the middle of 4 and 5. Understand? Put a point here. And then 6, 6. 6. Too far. 6. There you go. And one more. 10,8. 10,8. Where is 10? That's 10,8. Okay. See, the drawing is in detail, so I put every detail here. Any questions so far? No? Okay, draw the line, a straight line, use a ruler. You do it on your graph paper, right? Right. That's it. How is it, guys? Any difficulties on understanding this? If you have so, let me know. Again, don't hesitate to ask. How is it, guys? Yes? No question? Okay, let's do the next part. I will copy this. I will put it here. Okay, so that's the way we do. Okay, next. So let this graph paper be there. Wait. I will put an extra layer here. A bit to the right, so it will be more helpful. Okay. Wait, yeah. Not so right, not so tight. Make it tighter. There. Okay. So let's see the next page, guys. For example, the travel graph shows a journey taken by a cyclist. Okay. It is work example 4. Yeah. The travel graph shows a journey taken by a cyclist. He started a 50-kilometer journey at 8:00 hours. It means that 8 a.m. Okay. Copy also. Oh, we don't have the graph. We don't have to use this at all. So we just left it behind. And then the travel graph is shown like this. Okay. So look at this graph very, very carefully. Okay, look at the idea, guys. How far? Look at the graph. Look at the graph first. I will give you some time to look at the graph. Okay, the travel graph shows the journey taken by a cyclist. He started his 50-kilometer journey at 8 hours. 8:00 means jam 8. At 9 hours, at 9:00 hours, his bicycle tire suffered a puncture. So the tire is problem. Kempes bannya. He then continued his journey and reached his destination at 11:30. How far did the cyclist travel before his bicycle suffered a puncture? Nice, Michael, get it. 20 kilometer. Why? How do you see the 20? Yeah, so at this part, A to B, no change on the distance, right? So they stay, he stays and he stopped. How long? 30 minutes, that's right. Good. Next, find the gradient of each of the following OA, B, C, D. So OA, AB, and no D. OA, AB, and BC. So first thing first, point out all the number, all the point. What is point O? 0, 0, right? What is point A? Not 9. See this. So if it is 8, 8:30, so if it is 0, what is this? Sorry? 30. 30 minutes, right? From 8 to 8:30. You can just put 0, 30, 60, what else? 90. But it is in terms of minutes. Can I put half? How? Do you know why I just write 0.5? Hour. You can choose both, either or. Okay. We use hour, so we have to put hour, not minutes. Get the idea, guys? So not 0, 30, 60. It's still okay. But in my opinion, you better use hour. Okay, this is 2, 3, 3.5, 2.5. Understand, guys? So what is the point of A? What is the point of A? 1, 20, right? X, Y. 1, 20. B, 1.5, 20. How about C? Oh, okay. 3.5, 50. So you can choose the decimal. And then we find the gradient. Okay, gradient of OA, very simple. Of OA, remember the formula of gradient? Y over X, right? Y2 minus Y1, 20 minus 0 over 1 minus 0, right? B, MAB. What is MAB? Anyone? If you look at this, you can just name the gradient is horizontal, means 0, right? You don't have to put any formula. If you want to put formula, it's okay, but in my opinion, that's a waste of time. Okay, question C, MBC, right? The gradient of BC, it's a slant line, so you have to use the formula. What is MBC, guys? Wait, this is wrong, not 20, it's 50 for the C. Okay. So 50 subtract 20 over, right? 3.5 minus 1.5. Any questions so far? No? Is everything is understandable? Please let me know, guys. So if you have any difficulties, don't hesitate to ask. Yes? Yes? Yeah, sure. That's it. You need to find the graph. You need to look at the graph to find when the tire has a puncture. No, of course. You have to put on the graph. Okay, good question. You need to look at the graph. Okay. And then we can find the answer 20, 0, let it be 30 over 2, right? Which is 15. Get it? And what is the gradient, guys? What is the gradient represent? So what is the M represent? Look, if 20 stands for the distance, the bottom part stands for the time, right? So this is the time, this is the distance, right? So distance over time, what is it? Gradient represents, look, this is kilometer, right? On the top side here. If you look at the details, the top side represent kilometer. The bottom side represent hour. What is the unit of kilometer over hour stand for? What is kilometer over hour stands for, guys? Sorry? What is kilometer over hour? It is the unit of speed. Okay. So gradient represents speed. How fast does it travel? Okay. You can write it down because this is is it the work example? Oh yeah. You don't have to rewrite, so that's it. Okay. So gradient represent unit of speed. Okay, again, I will copy this and I'm sending this to you later on. Oh, I'm done with this. Okay, so this is on my previous class, so you can see this as well. Okay, guys. So one last explanation. Okay, let's see this. Look at this question. Guys, look at this, and I will give you some time to read it again one more time. Read it first, the technician. Okay, let's discuss. I think Josephine wants to answer this. How long did he take to repair his computer? Josephine, what's your answer for question A? Bisa gak? Ini baca dulu soalnya, you read the question. A technician in a computer firm, look at what I draw later on. A technician in a computer firm drove from his workshop to repair a customer's computer. So he go from his workshop to repair the customer's computer. So where is the line that shows that he repaired a computer? A to B. So this is his first customer, right? And then on his way back means going down here from B to C. On his way back, he stopped again to repair another customer's computer. So C to D represent the second customer, right? So I think the technician is quite good. When he go back home, he also finds the other customer. Okay. Yeah, sekalian, that's it. One in time. And then after that, he go back to his workshop. Okay, guys, get the idea? Now, how long did he take to repair each computer? Look at this. Minute 10, minute 30. So how long? You just subtract 30 minus 10, right? So 20 minutes. Understand, Josephine? Okay, nice. B. Quite simple. How far from his workshop was his first customer? Look at the distance, right? You have to look at the distance and also time. But in this case, for question A, you look at the time, how long, how far, you look at the distance, right? 9 kilometers. Understand? Just look at the graph and try to make sense of it. Think that the technician is yourself. You think that the technician is you. So you can find the answer easily. Because we are blended into the question. So find the gradient of each following. We have 5 points here, 5 lines. Okay, let's see. What is the point O? Okay. O is 0, 0. Good. What is A? 10,9. That's it. Good. B? 39 also. C? There you go. That's right in the middle. 35, 5. Okay, nice. 35 and 5. Write down. D? 55, 5 also. Then wrong. Why 62, Kevin? Yeah, you have to explain. 1 point here is 2, right? Because total is 10 minutes, right? Look at this. Look at the gap. Big gap is 10 minutes, but we have 5 other small gaps, right? So 10 divided by 5 means 2. So this is 62. Understand? There you go. We haven't done anything for question C, guys. What you need to do, I just only put this. Why I have to put this? Because we can look at this point easily to find the OA, AB, right? BC, CD, and last and DE, right? I put it here. So look at the easy graph. Which is the easy line? No, AB and CD. It's very, very easy. Why? It's a flat line. That's right. It's flat line means the gradient is 0. AB and CD. So we have a bonus here. AB and CD. You already reserved 2 answers without any formula. Get it? Then you do OA. What is the formula of gradient? I want you to remind. Y2. Y1 minus Y2 of X1 minus X2. That's it. You can choose either one. Oh, yeah. Sorry. I did something wrong. 2, 1. There you go. And the order has to be the same, yeah? Sorry. Thank you, Jones, for the reminder. Okay. How about this? 9 minus 0, right? Over 10 minus 0, right? X over Y. So it is 9 over 10 or 0.9, up to you. But I prefer use fraction than decimal. BC. 5 minus 9. On his way back home, it has to be negative over 35 minus 30. Get it, guys? See, negative. And DE. 0 minus 5 over 62 minus 55. Negative 5 over 7. Done. Okay, understand, guys? What is the unit represent? Kilometer and minute. So the speed also. So gradient. Why kilometer? This is kilometer. This is minutes, right? So gradient over speed. Hey, gradient is the speed. Gradient represent speed. The unit is kilometer over minutes, not hour anymore, right? Because the x-axis is minutes. Okay, any questions so far? Siapa yang masih bingung? Hello, guys. No one confused? Okay, I have to check whether your answer or your understanding is already achieved the minimum requirement or not. I'll give you homework. Yes. Homework chapter 6D. What number? 3, 4, 5. Done. Homework chapter 6D, number 3, number 4, and number 5. That's all for our explanation. I will stop the recording. I'll see you later, guys.